Hey everyone, welcome to the demo of Android Paint application with gestures. We have developed a Paint application in Android with NUI touch gestures. We have all been using Paint application since childhood to develop beautiful drawings, fill in color, create geometric shapes, edit an image by adding some text, etc. We use menu icons to perform these actions. In Android phones or tablets, we use touchscreen icons for different menu items like creating a new document, saving a document, changing the color, filling screen, erasing parts on the canvas, etc. Apart from these features, we have included some touch gestures for performing these menu functions. So now we'll proceed to the demo.
So now we are going to have a look at our application launch and the home screen. So when we press the paint application icon, this is the layout, main layout that we get. We can see the undo button on the top left corner of our layout. We can see the redo button on the top right corner of our layout. This white screen will act as the canvas on which the drawing will be made or will be created. We can see a number of icons at the bottom and each of these icons have various functionalities associated with them. First we have this white icon which will act as a new document icon, and when we press this icon we get a dialog box, and we can choose if you want to open a new document or not. I'm going to choose cancel here. Then we have the pen icon, this black icon, as you can see. When we click on this black icon, we can choose our desired brush size, and I'm going to choose the most thick brush size, and I'm going to draw on my canvas. Then we have the save button, as we can see through the floppy disk icon. When we click on this button, we get a pop-up box asking us for a confirmation if we want to save this image to the device gallery or not. I'm going to choose cancel here. Then this color palette is the color picker in our application, and we can slide our finger around this center, and we can choose our desired color, and we tap at the center to choose the color that we want to draw in. Then we have this bucket icon which is for color filling the background of the painting, and I'm going to choose a different color so that we can see a contrast, and then I'm going to click on this bucket, and we'll see that the canvas is filled with the yellow color. When we click on the eraser icon, we get a option for choosing the eraser size, and I'm going to choose the largest size here, and we can erase our drawing. This blue icon, that is the rightmost icon in the layout menu at the bottom, is the icon for going into the gesture view. When I click on this icon, I come to this black screen which is the gesture overlay view, and I'm going to enter a new gesture here, which n corresponds to new in our application. And as we can see that the dialog box pops up. This is the same dialog box that came when I clicked on the white new document button. Now we are going to look at the various NUI commands in our project.
Now I'll explain all the gestures that we have included in our prototype. In order to start a new file, we go to the gesture view and enter a gesture that looks like a capital N. So this asks us if we want to start a new drawing. In order to save a file, we enter a gesture that looks like a capital S. Similarly, while drawing, a user may want to draw straight strokes. For that, we have a gesture that looks like a straight line. Anything that I'll draw henceforth will be straightened. In order to remove this effect, we have a gesture that looks like a curved line. And as you can see, the straightening effect is removed. In order to activate the color picker, we have a gesture that looks like a capital C. This changes the color. In order to undo this, we have a gesture that looks like this. The green stroke was removed, and in order to redo this, the green stroke comes back. In order to select the eraser, we have a gesture that looks like E. We select the eraser size, and now the eraser is selected. So these were all the gestures that we have in our application.